Here is the back of 3 screens used as menu boards in a restaurant. And why this picture is important is there's a number of aspects here that make this a proper installation. The first one is they did network drops, which makes the digital signs just stay up way, way, way better than doing Wi-Fi. And you can see they actually, when they did the network drop, they ran 2 lines. So if one line in the wall has an issue, they can switch and test on the other line. Also, they put a network cable here that has a little bit of slack on it. They ran power to the SAM stick, so this is our media player here, with a little bit of slack as well, and the HDMI cable that comes up and plugs into the SAM stick and runs to the screen. They also left a little bit of slack. So that means anybody with very limited computer skills could get up on a step stool, they could reach the SAM stick, they could unplug it and replace it with a new media player literally in seconds. Also, the not so obvious other thing is when they ran the networking and they ran, there's power farther down here, they made sure that they measured where the bracket for the screen needed to be and made sure that everything is just slightly above where the brackets are placed, rather than putting the networking and power below, which makes it very difficult to reach everything. Also, they chose tilt brackets, so that gives a little room in between the power plugins and the networking plugins and the screen itself, enough room to be able to get up there and work on stuff. So this is a picture-perfect installation in that it can be easily serviced for years to come.